Hello everyone. So I did some maintenance on the motor over the winter, and after kind of putting it all back together, the motor just wouldn't start. It would spin and spin, and it would never turn on. So I wasn't exactly sure what was going on, but I knew this motor starts up instantly and that it had to be something ridiculous. And after fiddling around with it for a little while, it turned out that was what happened. So essentially, many of these Evinrude or older motors, they have the VRO, which is essentially a fuel oil pump bypass, so it's only a fuel pump, and that way you pre-mix your fuel, so you put like 150 oil into your gas. And what ended up happening is I noticed, I was looking at the wiring, and I inspected the kill switch. Something had to be wrong, and I noticed the VRO pump was plugged in. And I'm not sure if I was fiddling with it or maybe someone else plugged this in, but while I was working on this motor over the winter, this got plugged in. And since the VRO is not actually functioning, this somehow, I don't know exactly how, but it prevented the motor from starting. The second I disconnected that, it started up instantly. So if you're just trying to figure out why your motor won't start and you've tried the kill switch and kind of most of the other basic reasons, try this. It could be the issue.